organization. This organization was in light some 3-4 years back when there was a bomb blast and wherein one two-wheeler rider was dead. Incidentally, he belonged to the same organization. But it was during the earlier regime of the past Congress government. Now this particular incident that happened is not in Goa, it is in Maharashtra. So it is ideal that Maharashtra government inquires into. And the fallout of that will help us to act in that regard. As far as the state of Goa is concerned, I have instructed the police to keep watch.
सर, लेकिन जो गोवा के भी लोग हैं, यहाँ पर ये आश्रम है रामनाथी में, वहाँ के लोग भी इसके खिलाफ है और उनका कहना है कि जिस तरह की गतिविधियाँ चल रही हैं तो ऐसे में ये आश्रम बंद किया जाना चाहिए। और उन्होंने 7 दिन का अल्टीमेटम दिया सरकार को, नहीं तो वो वहाँ पर जन आंदोलन करेंगे।
Government is keeping a close watch over it.